put this thing together? Who 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 put this thing together?
What's up everybody, this is Justin at InlinePerformanceMag.com, and today we're going to try out the Crystal-Glo Acrylic Motorcycle Polish. So we decided to test this product on the front fender. As you can see, it is really dirty, so we'll see how it works. So the first step on the instructions is to rinse your vehicle and dry it. And then they tell you to shake it well, and what you want to do is you want to take a clean cloth, apply a little bit, you want to haze it. So for dark colored bikes, you want to buff it out while it's still wet. So as you can see, the front fender, it looks very nice after the polish. Also polish the tank, and look how nice and reflective it is. So if you're looking for a polish for your bike, Crystal-Glo is a very good product. I give it a thumbs up. So you can't argue with the results.